All right, folks, welcome back. Monday morning. Hope you had a great weekend. We are about to enter a holiday shortened week of trading. Thanksgiving coming up on Thursday, so how things are going to play out. Wednesday, the markets are going to be open as usual. Thursday, Thanksgiving, stock market closed. Nadex will be open for a shortened morning session. You can go to nadex.com, see our posting for those holiday hours, but we will be open on Thursday morning. Friday, the stock market will be open for a half day. Nadex, in conjunction with that, will also be open for a shortened session on Friday. Now, heading into today's market, we're seeing the stock market up, we're seeing the dollar up, foreign currencies are down. We've got an uptick in COVID in Europe at the moment. Angela Merkel comes out, says that they are going to further enforce some vaccination requirements, potential further lockdowns. That's putting a bit of pressure both on foreign currencies as well as the market this morning. Now, you look at what are some of the big potential risk events for the week. Well, there's really one, and that's President Biden is looking to nominate the next head of the Federal Reserve this week. So some potential market moving news there, something to be aware of. Again, holiday shortened week of trading. Let's get in there. Let's get after it. Things are going to start to quieten down as we get closer to Thursday. Let's start the week off strong. I'll see everybody again tomorrow.